Yeah. She walks in calm, yeah, she's not too loud. Faith in her soul, got her head in the clouds. Talks real life, never sugarcoats. Beauty and truth in everything she posts.
But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all of these things will be provided for you. Matthew 6, verse 33. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I showed you guys my outfit earlier, but I didn't tell y'all what I was doing today. So welcome back to another video. Today I'm currently in Charleston, South Carolina, and I'm going to the beach with some friends. Currently sitting in traffic because I don't know, for whatever reason, like getting across here is a whole thing. So yeah, just it was sitting waiting to get across over. We're going to Sullivan's Island Beach. It is the 4th, so things are a little bit packed and busy. I do have some fruit, so I think we're going to eat that. I don't even think I bought a spoon. With a fork. I prefer fresh pomegranate, like pulling this yourself, because I don't know, it just don't taste like as sweet. Calling my mom. It's not sweet. I wish I had like a bagel or something. It must be a lot of traffic because we just sitting, child. Ooh, I should have a picture of this for my thumbnail. I need to get a little closer. But I'm gonna finish these and I'll be back.
I feel it coming. Diamonds of the essence. I try to lead you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Drive me out of my mind.
Huh? I'm grateful, Lord. I thank you. Hey guys, it's so hot out here. I'm about to show y'all the sun. But it feels good. I got in the water briefly for like 15-20 minutes, and it was so warm because it's so hot. But right now I'm just chilling. I had some watermelon. I'm showing y'all that. I had my pasta salad. It was so good. Yeah. I will. You want music now? Let's try without one. Without? Okay. About you, I think about it. Alright. Hey. Hey. Ah! No, you were doing good. Y'all were doing good. This is annoying. Alright, hey guys. So, look at my hair, y'all. Look at my hair. Girl, got sand all on my nose, my face, and my blush. A time was had. My hair. Got sand all on my toes. Alright, I'm finna change and put on. I really don't feel like putting it on because it's hot. But we finna put on, take off this and put on. Got the air going, but I need to stop and get some gas. It's 4:10. And then I'm gonna get on the road. I'm gonna get this sand off of me. Oh, this is so hot. Oh, I feel like this air not pumping. Alright, I'm gonna step out the car. Get the sand up off of me. This up. Get my chips, water. All my stuff stay cool, y'all. This is still cold. Like all of my stuff stay cool. Oh, and I got some more water. This was ice. Y'all, time was had. Let me put it a little bit closer. Ooh, that's not good. Here just being wild and free, wild and free. I did try to pin it back, but I don't like this sticking up. My hair looks nice. Super big though. But time was had. I finally learned the Tamia dance, y'all. Y'all gonna see the clip. I finally learned the Tamia dance. I got some good sun. I feel like I didn't get like the tan tint. I mean, I'm a little bit darker, just a little bit, but I feel like I didn't get. I didn't know you could do that. Wait, hold up. I didn't know you could do that on my camera. But yeah guys. My hair looks big and wild. But yeah guys. I didn't know dang, what was I saying? Oh, I got a tan. I think a little bit. Let me know. Do I look different? I am hungry, but I'm gonna wait to eat when I get back. I'm just gonna snack on my chips. These are so good. Mr. Chief-Lay knew what he was doing with them chili flavor. He knew what he was doing. Plantain chips. But okay, gas. I was looking for gas. That's what I was doing. Looking for gas. Goss. Look like there's an Exxon. There's an Exxon over here. So y'all, it's so much traffic on the island. Like, look at that. It's gonna take me 27 minutes just to get out of here. Alright, let me go, y'all, because I do not want to be on the road long. And yeah, hopefully some fireworks, maybe. Alright, I'll check in the chat. I don't know why it's so much traffic getting off this island, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog of me in Charleston. I would definitely want to come back to like explore more, or like get something to eat here. Only reason I'm not is just because I have food at home, and yeah, we are trying to save, so that's the only reason we're not. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. My hair got like super full. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye. Alright, for real. Bye, guys. Alright, no, but for real. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Yeah, she's not too loud. Faith in her soul, got her head in the clouds. Talks real life, never sugarcoats. Beauty and truth in everything she posts. That's Rayne, yeah, she keeps it real. Every word got something you can feel.